record. Yeah.
Yo, surgeon, third as entertainment, Guzu Dan. Room 6 demigod, but we tell them, say, we a gal magnet, but we tell.
Hi guys, it's your girl Akhona and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you some of the best everyday lip combos. This is for dark skinned women like myself or any woman of color. If you want to try different lip combinations, you want to see different lip combinations on skin tones like yourself, because you know clear lip gloss can get boring, so you want to try different colors. And don't worry, I'm here to show you so you can have, like, you know, more plump and more juicy lips, you know, like, you know. But other than that, if you want to see the lip combos and you want to see more content like this, please continue to watch the rest of this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell.